What is the meaning of the word blow? As a noun, a powerful stroke with the fist or a weapon. An impact, as from a collision. Forceful exhalation through the nose or mouth. Examples of use: a blow on the head. As a verb, exhale hard. Be blowing or storming. Free of obstruction by blowing air through. Make a sound as if blown. Shape by blowing. Spend lavishly or wastefully on. Sound by having air expelled through a tube. Play or sound a wind instrument. Cause air to go in, on, or through. Cause to move by means of an air current. Spout moist air from the blowhole. Lay eggs. Examples of use: blow on the soup to cool it down. Blow one's nose. Blow a glass vase. Blow is spelled B-L-O-W. Blow.